Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is square root of 12 minus 12 over x squared plus square root of x squared minus 12 over x squared is equal to x squared, to find the values of x. In the first step, we let square root of 12 minus 12 over x squared, this as a, and square root of x squared minus 12 over x squared, this as b. And from here, a squared is equal to 12 minus 12 over x squared. We raise both sides of this equation to power of 2, right? It will be a squared is 12 minus 12 over x squared. And also, for here, for this, b squared is equal to x squared minus 12 over x squared, right? So, from here, a plus b is equal to x squared, right? This is a and this is b. So we write in here, a plus b is equal to x squared, and a squared minus b squared, in here, a squared minus b squared is equal to, a squared is 12 minus 12 over x squared, and b squared minus x squared is x squared minus 12 over x squared, right? And it will be 12. In here, negative 12 over x squared, and negative times this negative will be positive, so negative 12 over x squared plus 12 over x squared will be 0, so this will cancel this. And here we have negative x squared, right? Negative x squared. And in next step, in here we have a plus b is x squared, and this is in the form of difference of 2 squared, and we can write this as a minus b times a plus b, right? And this is equal to 12 minus x squared. And it will be, in here we have a plus b is x squared, and a minus b times a plus b, and a plus b is x squared, right? Times x squared is equal to 12 minus x squared, right? And in here, for this equation, we divide both sides of this equation by x squared, so this divide by x squared, and this divide by x squared, and it will be in here, we have a plus b is equal to x squared, and in here this will cancel this, and it will be a minus b is equal to 12 over x squared, 12 over x squared, and minus x squared over x squared, it will be 1, right? And in next step, we subtract these two equations, and it will be a minus b is 0, and b minus negative b, it will be positive b, so it will be b plus b is 2b, is equal to x squared minus this 12 over x squared and minus 1. And from here, 2b is equal to x squared minus 12 over x squared, and negative times this negative is positive, so plus 1. So in here we have x squared minus 12 over x squared, and from this equation, x squared minus 12 over x squared is b squared. So we substitute in here, so this is b squared, and it will be in here 2b is equal to b squared plus 1. And we take this to this side, and it will be b squared minus 2b, right? This to this side will be negative 2b, and plus 1 is equal to 0. And this is in the form of b minus 1 to power of 2, right? And this is equal to 0, and from here b is equal to 1. So from here b square is x square minus 12 over x square, right? So we write in here b square is x square minus 12 over x square, and b is 1, so b square is 1 is equal to x square minus 12 over x square. And in next step we multiply both sides of this equation by x square, so we multiply by x square, and it will be 1 times x square is x square, and is equal to x square times x square, it will be x to power of 4, and minus 12 over x square times x square, this will cancel this and it will be 12, right? And in next step we take this to this side and it will be x to power of 4 minus x to power of 2, and minus 12 is equal to 0. And here we let x to power of 2 as t. So from here x to power of 4 is equal to t square, right? So we substitute these two equations in this equation and we rewrite this equation, and it will be x to power of 4 is t square, so t square minus t minus 12 is equal to 0. And here we have quadratic equation and we use quadratic formula, which is t is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And a is coefficient of t square is 1, and b is coefficient of t is negative 1, and c is constant is negative 12. And it will be t is equal to negative b, negative 1 is positive 1, plus or minus the square root of b square, negative 1 square is 1, and minus 4 times a is 1, and times c is negative 12, and over 2. And from here t is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 1, negative 4 times 1, it will be negative 4, and negative 4 times negative 12, it will be positive 48 over 2. And from here t is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 49, and the square root of 49, it will be 7 over 2. So we have two values for t. T is equal to 1 plus 7 over 2, it will be 8 over 2 and 4, and t is 1 minus 7, it will be negative 6, and over 2 it will be negative 3. And in here we recall this x square is t, right? So in here we write x square is equal to t. And here x square is positive, right? So t should be a positive. And we reject this value for t, so we reject this answer, and we continue by t is equal to 4. So x square is 4, right? So we write in here x square is equal to 4, and we apply a square root to both sides of this equation, and it will be x is equal to plus or minus 2. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.